What up guys, Miguel here of YugaTech, and laptops have become a very necessary tool these days, especially in this post-new normal where work from home and online learning have become the norm for most Filipinos. However, getting a laptop doesn't always mean having to shell out a huge amount of money. Many of you asked us time and time again, what can I buy with a 20,000 peso budget? Well, that's a bit of a stretch nowadays with inflation and all, but depending on your computing needs, you probably don't need a lot of power if all you're doing is writing essays, researching topics, watching Netflix, and computing on a spreadsheet. So here are some of the best budget laptops under 25,000 pesos that you can get right now. Quick disclaimer, the computers mentioned in this list fit the budget limit of around 25,000 pesos at the time this video was produced. Prices and availability may vary with time through discounts or sales. First on this list is the Asus Vivobook X515MA BR1100W. This laptop also comes with Windows 11 Home out of the box. It's powered by the Intel Celeron N4020 processor, like most of the laptops on this list, and comes in a clean slate gray finish. The model is configured with 4GB of DDR4 memory and comes pre-installed with 128GB M.2 SSD for its operating system and a 1TB hard disk drive for storage. There is another M.2 slot for those who are interested. Also, it's the first on this list to feature a 15.6-inch HD display. The Vivobook X515MA will set you back 22,995 pesos from PC Express. Links in the description. Next up is the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 1i. Is an affordable laptop option with a slim and light design. It features an Intel Celeron N4500 processor and a 14-inch HD display for decent viewing experience. It comes with 4GB of DDR4 memory soldered to the motherboard, although there is an additional slot which is expandable, allowing for dual-channel memory. We also get a 256GB M.2 SSD pre-installed. We also get a card reader on this one, as the laptop should be good enough for light photo editing. With a SRP of 21,995 pesos, this isn't a bad start for a budding content creator on a budget. Up next, we have another entry from Asus. The Vivobook Go 15 provides a 15.6-inch HD display experience. It comes with an Intel Celeron N4500 processor and a good enough 256GB of M.2 SSD storage. It comes with 4GB of DDR4 RAM on board and features a chiclet keyboard with backlight and a numpad. Its operating system is Windows 11 Home out of the box and should be more than enough for general office productivity. It's available from Vilman for 21,995 pesos and it comes with a free backpack. Next is the Asus BR1100FKA BPO231R. This Asus model features an 11.6-inch HD touch display because, hear me out, it's a 2-in-1. It's powered by an Intel Celeron N4500 processor, ensuring decent performance for daily tasks. It comes with Windows 10 Pro out of the box, and I believe it's a pretty nifty iPad alternative for students or parents on a very tight budget. We get 4GB of DDR4 RAM and 64GB of eMMC storage pre-installed, but storage is expandable via the free M.2 SSD slot of up to 1TB. Now, this isn't my first choice, but if I was a kid in school and I saw my classmate roll up with one of these, I'd definitely turn my head. The Asus BR1100FKA is available from Vilman for 21,995 pesos, and it comes with a pouch and a stylus. Next up is the Acer Aspire 3. It offers a full 15.6-inch Full HD display, the first Full HD panel on this list so far. For sharp and clear visuals, it's powered by an Intel Celeron N4500 processor and offers a good balance between performance and price. It also comes with 4GB of DDR4 memory, upgradable to 16GB, and a 256GB SSD pre-installed with a free slot for a 1TB hard disk drive, as well as Windows 11 Home. The Acer Aspire 3 will set you back 21,499 pesos. Up next is the HP 14S, powered by an Intel Celeron N4120 processor and comes with a 14-inch HD display. It has a sleek and natural silver design, making it a stylish addition for your daily grind. Like most on this list, it comes with 4GB of DDR4 memory and 256 gigs of M.2 SSD storage. We also get an SD card reader on this one. The HP 14S will set you back 21,490 pesos. Alternatively, if you want more processing power and are willing to stretch your budget out a bit more, the HP 14S FQ1097AU, that is basically the Ryzen 3 version. I know it's kind of a mouthful, but this laptop is just like the one I just mentioned, but with an AMD Ryzen 3 processor, offering great performance for your daily computing needs. It also runs on Windows 11 Home out of the box and will set you back 25,990 pesos. Chuwi, a Chinese laptop manufacturer, makes it to this list with their CoreBook Pro, which comes with a 13-inch 2K IPS display, providing superior clarity and wide viewing angles. This laptop has the highest resolution display on this list, albeit in a smaller 13 inches. I'll tell you what though, it's subjectively also the sleekest laptop on this list for its aluminum magnesium alloy chassis, which results in very good portability. It comes with an Intel Core i3-6157U processor, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and 256 gigs of SSD storage, offering more than enough performance for everyday productivity tasks. It ships with Windows 10 out of the box, but this shouldn't be the biggest deal, taking into consideration the specs you get out of it versus everything else on this list. The Chuwi CoreBook Pro has been seen with a price tag of 20,999 pesos. Next is the Acer Extensa EX21531C0F9. The Acer Extensa offers a 15.6-inch HD display and is powered by an Intel Celeron N4020 processor. With a sleek black design, it's a solid choice for everyday computing needs. It comes with Windows 11 Home out of the box and is configured with 4GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD for storage. Overall, it's a relatively good option for basic office productivity tasks at 20,999 pesos. Lastly, we have another Lenovo IdeaPad, this time the Slim 3i, powered by the same Intel Celeron N4020 processor that's in most of the laptops on this list. It features a 14-inch HD display, a 256GB M.2 NVMe SSD, and 4GB of soldered DDR4 memory. No expandable memory here, but we do get expandable storage via the 2.5-inch SATA slot for either a hard disk drive or solid-state drive. With its slim design, it's easy to carry and perfect for on-the-go tasks. It also comes with Windows 11 Home out of the box at 20,995 pesos. Remember that these laptops are not meant for heavy tasks such as gaming or video editing, but they are more than capable of handling basic everyday tasks like web browsing, Word or Excel processing, and video streaming. With careful consideration of your needs and budget, you're sure to find a laptop that's right for you. So, what did you think of this list of the best laptops below 25,000 pesos in the first half of 2023? Let us know in the comment section below. But if you found this video helpful, enjoyable, or informative, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.